Hey everyone, Beforepay fam. Let's face it, sometimes you open that Beforepay app to treat yourself to, well, anything, that new game, concert tickets, that outfit you absolutely need, and bam. Your limit's gone rogue. It's mysteriously shrunk, leaving you staring at your phone like it betrayed you. We've all been there. That sinking feeling is real, but hold on, don't panic. Beforepay doesn't just randomly slash your limit out of spite. There are actual reasons, and the good news is, you might be able to get it back up. So, let's dive into the why and what to do of a surprise Beforepay limit drop. Reason number 1, recent repayment hiccups. Beforepay, like any financial service, relies on trust. They need to know you're reliable with repayments. So, if you've missed a payment or two recently, that can be a red flag. They might lower your limit to minimize the risk of you falling behind again. It's a way of saying, hey, let's get you back on track before you take on more. The fix. This one's a no-brainer. Catch up on those missed payments ASAP. Beforepay usually offers flexible repayment options, so check the app and settle those dues. Once your repayment history improves, your limit might see an increase again. It won't happen overnight, but consistent on-time payments show Beforepay you're a responsible user, which can lead to a higher limit. Reason number 2, overall credit situation took a dip. Beforepay does a little sneak peek at your credit score from time to time. It's a quick check to see how you're handling credit in general. If your credit score has taken a tumble, maybe some missed credit card payments or a high credit utilization ratio, basically, how much credit you're using compared to your total limit, that can affect your Beforepay limit too. The fix. This one requires some bigger picture credit management. Focus on improving your overall credit health. Make sure you're paying your bills on time, across the board. Try to keep your credit card balances low. There are a bunch of resources online and even credit counseling services that can help you get your credit score back on the rise. Once your credit score improves, your Beforepay limit might follow suit. Reason number 3, you haven't used Beforepay in a while. Beforepay loves to see you using their service responsibly. If you haven't used Beforepay in a long time, they might lower your limit to reflect that. Think of it like their way of saying, hey, are you still interested? The fix. The solution here is simple, use Beforepay responsibly. Make a small purchase, split it up with Beforepay, and show them you're a reliable user. Once you get back in the swing of things and make your repayments on time, your limit could go back up. Bonus tip, talk to Beforepay directly. Beforepay actually has a customer service team that's there to help. If you've tried the above fixes and your limit still seems stuck on low, reach out to Beforepay's customer service. They can look at your specific situation and explain why your limit dropped. They might even be able to offer some guidance on getting it back up. Remember, communication is key. Beforepay wants you to be a successful user of their service, so don't hesitate to reach out for help. Final word, patience is key. Regaining your Beforepay limit won't happen overnight. It takes time and responsible financial management. But by following these tips and staying on top of your repayments, you can increase your chances of getting that limit back up and treat yourself to those things you deserve. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.